Hi everyone! Today I'm going to the Bachelorette party, so I've decided to show you getting ready with me to the Bachelorette party. Let's go! So let's start with the makeup. First of all, I would apply concealer, Super Stay Full Coverage from Maybelline. Let's do it. Let's use this brush. I don't like it. It's used better with a finger, you know? Yeah, and also apply on the upper crease, just a little. So we're gonna go to the karaoke, and I like to make it super glam. So a lot of highlight. So let's go to the eyes. This. I will apply my Tartar special edition. I'll show you it extra because I have a mirror on this and it's staying right here. So let's put the shadow to show the ugly sense. I will suggest to apply this Aladdin MAC pigment color powder because it's rose and gold. It's amazing actually. And just before applying I will use NYX pigment primer to stick it just right. I will also apply it with my fingers. Oh yeah, I've got some finally. So let's apply it. To the eyelid, full coverage, so it will stick our pigment greatly. Oh, and another eye. Here we go. I will pick this one. Oh, do it really carefully because they are flying all around you. You see? That's perfect. Rose gold all around your eye. Just I left some space to the inner corner because I will apply here another color. Let's do the second eye. Looks like super glam, no? I think yeah. So again the previous brush without any color to blend it. The inner corner, I would like to use this Revolution Paradise Bird. Birds of Paradise. Yeah. And I will go for this small, and they will use this Hot Tropic. Yeah, it's a slight color, more just sparkling. So I need to blend it slightly between colors. Alright. And the other eye. There's not here, it is. Yep. Blend it. And once again, crease blend. Alright. I want to add extra sparkling here. So let me show you. I think we will use this one, Lamel Liquid Platinum in the silver, to add cold, cool sparkles just to the inner corner. I'll pick my super mini brush. I think it looks cool, like a trend in jewelry when you mix gold in two colors. Oh yeah. I'm gonna use a little coverage. So I prefer Dior Backstage. I'm gonna mix it with, you know what? With invisible illumination. So glowy, glowy. So I'm gonna glow like, I don't know, dolphin, yeah? It was this trend for this year, like having dolphin skin. Next step, let's do eyebrows. First of all, I would like to brush them. And only after this I will fill them. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you what I'm using for my eyebrows on the daily basis. It's Brow Arcade by Vivienne Sabor. I found this one is extremely good because you can handle what you are brushing, what you are coloring, just like hair by hair, so it's super natural. And I love it. Because I'm not really kind of super graphy eyebrows. So I've brushed it again because I don't want it to be graphy, as I said. And let's apply mascara because my eyes cannot stand out of the face without it. Unfortunately, my eyelashes are small and pale, so mascara is absolutely must-have. So, and I know most of you maybe will be surprising, but I am allergic to beeswax. As I think so because I've used some products with this and it turned into like this all the time. And I started using some products without beeswax. I use Darling Lash Cocoon. It's temperature mascara, so you can wash it just with a warm water. Okay, here we go. By the way, what do you think about mascaras that can be washed away by warm water? Have you tried? Because I started with Clinique one, but they use Box, so I had to find another one, and it was Darling. And I really like it because it stands for a long time and you can wash it easily after all. Yep, now you can see my eyes. I have only one blush, it's MAC, Sweet for My Sweet, Extra Dimension. Just a little to my apple. You see, it also has some luminizing particles, so glam, glam, glam. Let's return to our illumination and apply some. You see this glowing out of the universe. Shining, shining, glowing, glowing. And now I'm gonna add a little more with my Tarte Pro Glow. So I'd like to use Stunner. To make it like layers. Let's finish with lips. So again, Bien Sabor 101. So I just made a contour, and now I'm gonna apply Kiko Milano 3D Hydro Lip Gloss, and that's it for the makeup part. So here we are, shining like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond.